They don't start again, or they don't they continue again. My people now need hear this latest one where they happen now for Lagos. Hey, yellow bus matado. In fact, the yellow bus matado they complicate everything. They confuse human beings. Now we don't know which yellow bus be for police. We don't know which yellow bus be for armed robbers. My people now so this guy they on the own they waka out. This bus just come back. And according to that, say in the thing our police people because they wear exactly the Nigeria police uniform where we all of us know. So as you see them on uniform on a normal level, he got stop as they stop them. You understand? Because you supposed to respect the uniform. Now so instead of stop, question come start to, where are you coming from? Where are you? What are you doing? This one. So the boy answered them before you know, oh yeah, enter inside. Think on the house and say, okay, waiting be my offense, waiting I do. At least, normal level, before you go arrest person, tell and say, okay, you are being arrested for this. You understand? Then you carry on. They don't even allow, they don't give a reason why they carry on. They don't even allow the boy talk. Now, so they start the punch. If you not see bleeding, hey, this guy don't they bleed. But thank God say they are alive. So I don't bring them on a screen. For now we don't know what they talk about. And I don't know the correct matter. Join me, make we listen to that.
Comes to this yellow bus of a thing. You get me? Different people with black will just be carrying yellow bus. You see yellow bus going to Hogbar. You see yellow bus going to Ikeja. You see yellow bus going to Bega. You see yellow bus going to different bus stop. We don't know which one is police. Anytime we even see that bus now, we'll just be running. Okay, you asked me, am I coming? I told you where I'm coming from. I'm coming from my friend's place. Blah 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 blah. He said, am I coming from that place? Where am I coming from? I should enter the motor. He said that blah blah blah. I said that. So what's my offense? What is my offense? I was arguing. What is my offense? What is my offense, sir? What is my offense? Before you carry me to the station, what have I done? He said I should not argue anymore. Okay, let me just reach there. You get me? I entered the car. I entered the bus. We reached the one starting place. They said I should come down. They took all my stuff, took everything. These people were dressed like a police officer. These people were dressed like a police officer. They bruised my face. Can you look at my face? They bruised my face. All my body is full of blood. All my body is full of like. I've never been punched in my life before. I've never been punched. I don't like trouble. I don't even go out. I was just coming back, going home with my provisions and everything. I was just hijacked by the police officer who were told to protect us, and they did this to my face. Like they did this to my face. They let me on the road, stranded, empty, all my money in my purse, every single thing were all gone.
Nah, today alive for Nigeria na miracle. All of una wey dey this country, una dey watch me, una dey alive, una dey breathe, na miracle. I no get no other name to call am with all these things where they happen. Hey, but wait this thing dey funny small, but I need ask am because as this boy they talk, as I dey listen to am, they watch in action. I don't know, but to me it dey sound like Bobrisky and James Brown. I say I don't know. To me, I just dey talk my own part. Una no hear am, una no know. I've never been punched before. I don't look for trouble. Also, you know, be one of them, because this one now where I don't bring your matter here, I want support you. If you know, say you be anyhow, very soon I'll go soon find out. I just dey hope, say you know, make it just be saying now, so you dey talk. For those police people, my people, are they sure saying a real policemen? Because some people now they talk say if it be armed robbers, if it be this one. Are they 100% sure? They be real police people. I know they see any because there's no difference they now as I now for this country. I know they see difference between thieves and police people. So are they very sure now? Why they tell now say they be real police people? Because them on their own now they don't take advantage of people's situation. Not be the same thing way thieves they do. So waiting can they differentiate them now? Now the same thing, my people. The way Nigeria dey now, I'm not even they surprised if we don't reach level where police even they borrow in uniform to armed robbers. You understand? They go settle themselves. The percentage they go divide them. The level where we dey, anything they possible. Because we not get, I don't know for now they see police. I know they see police again for this country. We not get police. Insecurity just too much everywhere. Like now, you know, if you just come out in peace. if you dey comot sef your heart dey beat, you go dey calculate, okay na this time I dey comot, make I try come back fast. Like everything now na based on calculation for this country. Now even your own shadow, una know wetin shadow mean. Your shadow now, you even dey careful of your own shadow, not to talk of another fellow. Make una stop to dey waka alone, especially this period. Biko, I dey beg you now, stop to dey waka alone, because see as e be now, nobody go dey wey go defend you. You suppose be your own policeman now, be your own policewoman now. I no to say make you go dey cause problem. What I mean be say, like, avoid. And the best way to avoid now, no dey waka all those areas where you know say 1, 6, 7 don reach, na problem go come. No waka there. I dey tell una serious matter, abeg, so that see, if you die, you die on your own. You die on your own. Nobody go come outside say they investigate, May we just tell ourselves the truth now. You understand? So work with another person. Make sure say if you dey go one place, night don come, you know how the area be, abeg sleep for there. Sleep for there. In the morning you continue your journey. Very important. And anywhere wey una dey waka, make sure say e dey crowded. You know those places where e dey busy, people dey. Because now wetin happen to this one now, the place where e dey, plenty people no dey. So even if you shout, who won't come outside now say they can't help you? Nobody. Now wow, police. The thing wey even dey pay me now. That nonsense logo, I don't know whether na their logo, I mean anyhow way they want to call am. That nonsense thing where every time they write everywhere, police is your friend. Police, that nonsense. The way that thing they pay me, even they pay me self pass wetin they do this boy. That thing alone, who una go dey write, police is your friend. Friendship na by force. Friendship na by force. We no do. Abeg go remove that thing, because none of us. I don't understand. I tell you say I dey lack friends. Now I dey here like this. I don't want to be any police friend, because the way una even dey go about this whole thing, police is our enemy. Now the thing wey una suppose change am to now. Police is our enemy. Now the new logo be that. Simple as that. Nah, I know they work out without my pepper spray. No, I know they work out in as much as say I dey mind my steps. My pepper spray always in my bag. Because now nobody where you go call. No, try call. Wait be Nigeria police number safe. I don't even know to see how the matter even serious. I even know abroad own past our own country own. No be like abroad where you go just dial 911. They don't pick call. They don't answer you. They don't appear. This one, if you like, call 1,000. You're on your own. So now, my people, now the matter where I bring be this. You understand? My brother, I'm sorry. Sorry for this one where you just go through. But the important thing is say they're alive. It's assuming you don't die now, we no go even hear this matter. Very, very important. So next time, I beg, dey careful. My people, make all of us dey careful. Mind the way you dey waka, the places where you dey go. You understand? It is very, very important. So drop those comments for that comment section. Anything where you guys talk regarding this thing. If anything don't happen to you like this, you feel drop and there. No worry, I go reply on a one by one. And share this video, because many people they will need hear my voice. Many people they will need know wetin dey happen now. Very, very important. Make we support each other this period. Stay tuned for our next story.